So, if we read the question, okay, one of the shapes is a triangle with line of symmetry. So, si Mia ini mengambil tiga shapes, and one of this shape is triangle with line of symmetry. Okay, so as we can see, line of symmetry on triangle is 4, and the total of all of the shapes is 25. So we know that kalau triangle line of symmetry 34 and total is 25. Okay, right. So let's understand this first. Ia mengambil 3. So artinya ada 3 shapes. The real question here also is that Ketani Indah tahu adakah triangle ni ia ambil ani dulu kah baru tah yang lain, ataupun ia ambil yang lain and then triangle and then yang lain. Okay, ataupun ia ambil yang lain and then baru triangle. But the important thing is that satu of the 3 memang ia triangle with line of symmetry. So automatically the other 2 will be yang bukan, not line triangle of symmetry. So kalau yang not triangle with one line of symmetry, with line symmetry, kalau yang not artinya automatically pasal 4 triangle and total is 25. So kalau yang bukan, that means 25 minus 4, yang the other 21. So the other 21 shapes is basically not triangle line of symmetry, and this information is very useful for our working. Okay, now again, let's just focus on one event dulu. Let's say triangle Ketani di sini. Okay, we ambil triangle with line of symmetry dulu, and then the rest is yang bukan, as mentioned. Now, it's also important for us to highlight without replacement, meaning that denominator minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Pasal Tani Indah, masukkan balik. Okay, so let's say the first one is again line of symmetry, triangle. So we know it's 4, automatically simple, 4 over 25. Okay, and then the next one artinya yang bukan triangle line of symmetry Indah berkacau kan, pasalnya walaupun ia without replacement, so artinya yang without replacement ia akan affect the denominator terkurang 1. Okay, pasal 3 shapes. And then di atasnya ni numerator ni, kalau ia not triangle of symmetry, tadi we already discuss, kalau not artinya ia automatically 21. Pasal Indah berkacau, bukannya ani yang kena hilangkan 1 kan. The first part was triangle 4, so yang not triangle symmetry belum berkacau, so we still have 21. Ganya 1 berkeluarkan pasal 1 yang hilang ni yang triangle pada awal tadi. Okay, right. And then pasal tadi sudah ambil 1, again ini memang not line of symmetry, not triangle line of symmetry, artinya kalau sudah ambil 1 keluar ia jadi 20. Okay, again hilang 1 di bawah jua pasal no replacement. Now that's 3 with one shape yang line triangle. So ini again you bayangkan kalau sekiranya Ketani ada apa ni namanya, tree diagram. Is it tree diagram? Yeah, tree diagram itu ya umpamanya macam mana. Sini Tani ambil triangle line symmetry, ini yang bukan line triangle, ini yang bukan line triangle. So kalau ia sebaris macam ni sejalan, artinya Ketani times then times. So for this one we multiply and we multiply. Okay, so we are done with that part. Now masalahnya, this is only one of the possibility. Okay, so whatever the answer is here lah, this is only one of the possibility. We already discussed it tadi awal-awal. It could have been again tadi Indah tahu apa yang terjadi ni. It could have been awal-awal ni, it could be awal-awal ni yang bukan triangle line of symmetry, and then tengah-tengah is the triangle of symmetry that yang mau oleh soalan, and then the other one is bukan lagi. Artinya apa ia punya probability pun sama juga. Awal-awal tadi is 21 kan, 21 yang berkacau, over 25 belum berkeluarkan 1. Next one is also over 24, next one is also over 23. Now let's talk about the numerator. Di atas ni triangle baru kan berambil the first time. Okay, walaupun ia tengah-tengah tapi first time ia baru berambil berkacau, so artinya ia masih 4. Next one is bukan line of symmetry. Jadi sudah tak ambil tadi awal the first one, second is yang triangle, third is yang bukan lagi. Jadinya ia jadi instead of 21 ia jadi 20 macam itu. As you can see, nombornya sama. Sini nak sama, walaupun arrangementnya lain tapi the number is the same kan. Okay, okay. Now next one, last one is kalau sekiranya triangle Ketani, I'm gonna do a faster one, this one triangle-nya di belakang. So ini bukan, ini bukan. So kalau bukan, again pasal dia berkacau 21/25, tapi berkurang 1. Numeratornya pasal ini sudah berambil awal, ia jadi 20. Sini belum berkacau, that's the first time tadi ambil untuk triangle, ia jadi 4. So again multiply, and as you can see all the numerators and all the denominators, they are the same walaupun susunannya berbeza-beza. In other words, I can actually just write it. Okay, I'm gonna do a new one here. I can just actually write it 4/25 times 21/24 times 20/23. Pasal semua nombor sama and semua multiply, I can just kali dengan 3. Pasal 3 event yang berbeza. It could be triangle dulu awal, and then triangle dulu second, ataupun triangle dulu belakang. In other words, umpamanya Ustazah mencampur yang tadi, ini kali-kali and then kali-kali. So sini triangle, bukan, and then triangle, and then bukan lagi, or bukan, and then triangle. Sama juga. Either you campur semua, okay, ataupun you kali saja semua terus dengan 3. It should lead to the answer, final answer, which is 42/115. Dah silap Ustazah. Okay, that's it. Thank you.